Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm talking about what is it prepare for 16 months this year. Alright, the first time in life, like last year, I would like to prepare for this Ramadan for, praying a lot, and then always studying Quran, and then always went to boarding school, Go Rahmah, and then help people, and then I never forget, because every fasting month I always use my time every single day, every single night, every single week. After I doing travel partner, I always learning English accent, but unfortunately my laptop was broke. But I'm gonna repair and fix that myself. After that, I'm gonna would like to increase my accent, because I got a lot of stuff, I got a lot of documents, I got a lot of tips or anything else, for how to increase the languages. But this month, for during Ramadan, I will focus for learning Arabic, after that Spanish, after Esperanto. Besides that, I would like to focus for learning British accent, because the accent very important for me. Love British accent. It's okay. Don't say mashallah. This is my prepare. But when somebody asking me, learning together each other, it's okay. But just focus for learning the languages for this Ramadan, because I don't have work, don't have patience, I don't have to do. Just focus for learning accent and thing. Just looking for new vocabulary, what differences between American accent and British accent, and then what is the right neck accent, and then is 553, 53, a part of countries, United States, local language, and then idiom words, and then phrases, many things about that. I would like to prepare that. And then when I met people from United States, I could expand myself. What the difference between American accent and British accent. Alright? That's it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.